Okay, folks, let's talk about our watch stock for this evening, which is Tesla. Tesla reported earnings after the bell, and it was bad. Profits fell 45% for the quarter, and the robotaxi rollout won't happen until around October. So that's a lot of time for this stock to find its footing. You need to expect that what you're going to get are analyst downgrades. So in this video, what we're going to talk about is the current price action, what I think is going to happen tomorrow, and on a macro view, on a monthly view, where might we find a bottom? So let's get to it. What you're looking at right now is a 4-hour chart. And you can see that this candlestick here is the reaction to earnings after the bell. So where I think that we may see a defense of the shares is probably within this range here. So this will coincide with, and again, this is a 4-hour chart. This will coincide with probably around the 214.94 mark. I'm not saying it's going to get there tomorrow, but in all probability, this is where we're going to see our first bounce. You don't have a lot of support within this range. I mean, even the TrendSpider algorithms have no support lines to offer. So in this case, we need to do it old school. Expect support down between 216 and 214 per share. Now, longer term, where might we find a bottom on Tesla shares? Let's go to the monthly chart. Now, this is not reflective of the after hours price action, and we only have a few trading days left to go in the month. So if we close back down by the end of business, final business day of July, back down below this upper band of resistance or prior resistance in green, that means that the path of least resistance for Tesla shares is to the downside. And we could break down below $200 per share easily if we fail to hold this breakout point, which is at current at around 227. The lows of the after hours session was at around 225. So what if we do manage to eke out a gain and close above this upper band of resistance in green? Well, what will happen is that we're going to do a retest. And we're going to come back down and retest this 220 range, 222 range, bounce around here for quite a while. But if you're looking to put on a long trade here, I would not make that my bet. My bet right now is that there will be a battle to drive these shares back down below this lower band of support, because that means that the downtrend continues and shorts love to short this stock. They also get their faces ripped off from time to time, as you saw in June and even more so in July. So what's our play here? If I decide to trade this stock, I'm going to be watching the monthly chart very, very closely, because I like big breakouts. I like retests of prior resistance. They should now act as support. And if you're thinking that, you know what, this pullback is an opportunity to go buying the shares, I would really caution you not to do that. Let me take you down or back over to the 4-hour chart. What normally happens here is that when the shares begin to trade at around, I think it's around 2 or 3 p.m. by the institutions, a.m., these shares will drift down further. Then when you get the regular hour session open, in all probability, they are going to move down lower. I wouldn't be the least bit surprised to see a retest of at least 216, 217 per share tomorrow. Ultimately, a pullback to around 214. Then the question is, do we hold? So at this point in time, I would not try to catch this falling knife. And in fact, if they attempt to rally the shares back in the morning, we just may open up a call spread betting that the shares or the intraday rally is going to fade. So right now, a warning flag, a big, big warning flag is on the track for Tesla shares, intraday, daily, and even monthly view. Be very, very careful here. The shorts are going to be emboldened on this trade. With that, folks, if you value the commentary that you get here, become a member. We have a 14-day free trial offer. The worst thing that happens is that you make a couple of bucks. We have a great community with great people, And if you enjoy the trading software that we're using, this is TrendSpider. I give it away free to our silver and gold level members. If you're not ready to join the Contrarian Trader, well, hell, follow us on YouTube, Twitter, wherever you're watching this, and join us for our Thursday night and our Sunday night live stream, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and at least get a 35% discount code off of TrendSpider. Link below on YouTube, and a link below to get that discount if you're watching this on Twitter. Everybody have a great night. Profitable trading day tomorrow. Be well.